This is Bill and Deb North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and this weekend's adventure, we're at Wekiva Falls RV Resort. We'll see you inside the resort. So I'm not an expert on this place, but what I've heard is that there's a spring here.
We're at Kelly Park. We rented tubes right outside the park. What a great little run.
It was only $3. That wasn't bad. So we have arrived. Apparently you can just walk back with your tubes. He says you can swim back if you want to. He gave us a map. We'll check it out. Wow.
All right. Sorry.
Super cool. Definitely rocks. Let's see why the other tubes would pop. This is our site. We got here late last night. Don't do that. It was in the dark. But we are in the super site section. It's brand new. It's got pavers. Right across the street, there's Miss Deb, right across from the office. It's a Friday, so it's kind of slow. Not many people here. But these pavers are really nice, but they're 90 degrees to pavement. So the guy that obviously designed it was not an RV guy. But we got in here late last night and it had been raining, and we've got full hookups. But when we went to plug in, we noticed our power pedestal, the 50 amp, was melted. So luckily they're all right next to one another right there. There was 4 of them right there. So 833 did not work either. I couldn't get it to work. But we got the Wi-Fi right there. Pretty nice park. Another reason why I don't think the guy was an RVer, look at the water. That's 2 hoses. Almost needed 3. But we got it to work. But these are super nice. They got these little tiki picnic tables right across, and right there's a spring and a swimming hole. So we'll go over there and check it out. There's the market. They got ice, showers, propane's right there. The playground. Oh, free poop bags. You know you're in a high class place. We got free poop bags. Let's go walk over there. So I'm not an expert on this place, but what I've heard is that there's a spring here, but the water has like a sulfur smell to it, and that's why they have this aerator here. I smell it a little bit. You smell it?
Yeah, I do.
Well, now I really smell it. But this leads out to the river. Water comes out of here and feeds out into the river. Is it muddy or is it hard? Look at all the fish. You all right?
I didn't want to do that.
You got a good play area for the kids.
It's not really that cold.
It's not? You don't think it's 72?
I mean, it might be, but
It doesn't smell like sulfur over here, but it does closer to the thing. Huh? You smell it? They actually sell day passes where you can come in here during the week, but on the weekends they don't sell the day passes to come in here for the day and have a picnic up here at all of these little tiki huts. It's still a super cool place. So from the camp store, you go that way. There's a marina. There's a tiki bar, and I think there's you can rent boats and stuff down there, and kayaks, and go down the river because this spring overflows into the river. Quick tour of the bathhouse. It's actually part of the general store. It's to the right of it. You just got to go around the corner. This is the bathroom. Okay, Deb, what do you think of the pool?
Actually, very nice. It's a little walk across the little bridge area to where our campsite is, but
It's raining. Clubhouse. Here's Mr. Kyle.
What's going on?
What's the best company in the world, Kyle?
Brown and Brown, baby.
There we go. There we go.
Bro on the stock ticker, New York
All
Stock Exchange. S&P 500.
All right. Park. Oh man. Here we go. Here. It was only $3. That wasn't bad. So we have arrived. Apparently you can just walk back with your tubes. He says you can swim back if you want to. He gave us a map. We'll check it out. Swimming area. Bunch of cars. We're here on a Friday. Still super busy.
10:30 in the morning.
And is there a place to park? Holy crap. Oh, there's a lot over there. A lot of people here already. Have to use a porta potty? No? Kelly Park. Concession stand. Swimming holes right down there. Sessions open. Wow. Rock Springs, we are here. Water's coming out of that hole.
And we're going to get a picture on that bridge also. Okay. So everybody turn around, take a look at
Wow.
All right. Sorry.
That's super cool. Definitely rocks. Let's see why the other tubes would pop.
Okay, can you come on?
Ready to get in?
Ready.
All right.
Careful, those rocks are slippery.
Yeah. It's super slippery. The water's coming out. Whew. Have our tubes ready for launching. Whew. All right. It was good. Going through all the rocks. Let's see why you have to have the black tube a pop. Yeah. I guess on YouTube you could just walk, huh?
This is the bumpiest part. Dave, right here. No, I go on that. Like
We're going over here.
Ooh. Get your back and hit some of these rocks.
Push on the other side of that.
Yeah, I was going to say to her right here.
Rock.
A lot of people for a Friday at 10:30 in the morning. A lot of people.
Yeah. Well, at least there's a place to park. Last time we tried to come here, we couldn't even get in here. Just can't believe all these rocks.
They're beautiful, actually.
Some people just walk up the creek. Oh, pretty fast.
Oh, my butt's hitting.
Uh-oh.
Oh, my
Butt's
butt's
up?
hitting. Butt's hitting.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're going to take this guy out.
Whoa.
Putting out a lot of water.
Yeah, well, it's shallow. So it's all going across. Ooh, my tubes. Oh, I'm going to hit some rocks. Tree branch. Oh. I can see why your tubes would pop. It's nice and shaded. Uh-oh. Got a branch.
It's backwards. You can't see where I'm going. I'm going the same way.
Where you going, Mrs. Lubner? Where are we going? The jungle. Wow. We're definitely in a jungle. See the water coming out?
Yeah, there's one of those.
Oh, here it is. It's coming up out of the ground.
You want to keep walking?
No. You can definitely see the water coming out.
Here, I'm going to walk a little bit further.
Oh, there's more springs up there. More springs. More water coming out of the ground?
No more water.
Yeah, there's just these tiny little boils.
So it keeps going this way, but it's just a trail. There's no more water. This is basically where the water stops.
Water stops here.
Very cool, though.
Very cool. Bucky approved. Hello, Mr. Bird. We're going along pretty good. Which way do we go?
That's the way.
I think we need to go to the left. Because that keeps going. We need to go left. Well, the crab's coming out.
No, it comes out underneath the bridge.
This, that goes to the swimming hole.
I think this does too.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure this does too.
All right. We took a right-hand turn at Albuquerque. Let's see if it's the right move. Where all the water's
with little
going.
faith. See? I told you.
All right.
Me with little faith.
So we ended back at the swimming hole. There must be a way to walk back because people keep going.
So we're past the swimming area, and this is just a little run, but talking to everybody, they said that you have to walk back until you can portage out at the swimming area. So here we are in the run past the swimming area. It's nice and peaceful. A lot of people are just walking back. I guess there's no trail to walk back until you get back to the swimming area. So we're gonna give it a shot. Very, very pretty.
It's nice. We're the only ones down here now. Everybody just walks back up this way once you get past the swimming hole. Really didn't need the sunscreen. Can't believe it's only $3 to get in. But $9 a tube to rent a tube. They're making some money on these tubes.
If you have cash, if not, they charge you an extra $1 for credit card.
Yeah, they charge you $1 to process your credit card.
And you have to leave a photo ID.
Yeah, at the tube rental. Outside the park. There's a bar and grill there. There's one guy in there drinking at like 9:45 in the morning. No swimming past this point. Might as well get out and walk back.
Yeah.
I think it'd be a lot easier. There's a path. You just sit out here and chill. We really enjoyed our time at Rock Springs, which is Kelly Park. And this RV park's only like 20 minutes away, so it's nice and close, but we're not sure we would come back to this one. I mean, this is kind of a nice park, but they're kind of turning it into a trailer park. There's a lot of low-income families that live here, so I don't know. The clientele is not what we're used to. And the spring. I mean, it's nice having the spring right over here, but the sulfur smell kind of took away the enjoyment of it. It had a nice little park where, I mean, a sandbar where the kids could play. So that was really cool. But the smell of the water, you just couldn't get over it. And the Tiki Bar Marina, it's not very nice. And the marina's closed. They have it blocked off. You can't even put your boats in there. But the boat ramp is open. So to sum it up, this isn't a bad park, but we're not sure we would come back. We'd much rather go to camp at Wekiva Springs or in Kelly Park itself. But Kelly Park's hard to get into. There's only 25 sites. So we hope you like this video. Please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you on our next adventure. See ya!